them sales calls, them cold calls, those are tough for me for a year and a half. I'm just now hitting my stride with cold calling and sales calls because I know how to. But the confidence comes when you do a bunch of them because now you know your business. Like you probably are still figuring out your packages, what you're offering. Now I know exactly what I'm offering. I know exactly what I'm not offering. I know exactly if they say no like this, what they're probably saying no about. Like I know these people now. I know these principles and assistant principles. What's gonna happen is in like a year, 2 years, maybe 5 years, you're gonna learn these restaurants. Like for example, I know they're talking about this fund and whatever. You're gonna learn them, and then you're gonna be able to have confidence with talking to them. And so, the only way you're gonna be able to pitch yourself on sales calls, on cold calls, whatever it may be, is by freaking just doing them and being bad at it and just keep doing it. Like I was bad for a while, but you just gotta do that thing a bunch of times. And eventually you get better. Cause I was bad at it, really bad, but that's part of the process. That's entrepreneurship though. Like it's tough and nobody, you know what I'm saying? But once you figure it out, there's no limit to how far you can go. So like while it's bad, you ain't getting no sales, whatever, for 2 years. But then when you figure it out, now you can make as much money as you want. Ain't no limit. So it's like it's extremes on both sides. But if you're willing to wait out the years of it being hard and the rest of your life, you now have a skill and a business that can pay you forever. And you can make as much money as you want. You can hire somebody to repeat the process. Like next year, I'm hiring somebody to just copy me in terms of like all the things that I do. And then I can just step away. You know what I'm saying? But I can only teach them if I went through the 4 or 5 years or 3 years of me doing it and learning how to do it right. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like remembering why you're horrible is gonna pay you for 50 years after that because you went through 2, 3 hard years. You know what I'm saying?